Hello and welcome back. My name is Aleisha and this is Project Vegan, where we bake vegan treats. So let's get baking. This is a little bit of a change of scenery. I'm filming in my room and then we're going to bake upstairs just for timing things. But today we're going to be making some very simple crispy biscuits. It's a little bit of a different recipe, and don't be fooled, it may not look like a dough at the start, but they will turn into biscuits. They're very sweet, very thin, very crispy. They make the perfect cheesecake base, which is actually why I'm making them. So without further ado, let's start baking. 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of sugar into a cake mixer, and beat until creamy. One egg, I'm using all-grain egg replacer, and a tablespoon of golden syrup. Once combined, add 150 grams of flour. Mix till the dough comes together and all the flour is combined. I forgot to add a pinch of salt. Once flour is well combined, place on a lined baking tray and cover with baking paper. Place in the fridge to chill for half an hour. Once your dough is chilled for half an hour, roll it out between your two pieces of parchment paper. I spread mine a little bit too far and it went off the sheet, so I just did a little bit of surgery, cut it, put it up a little bit higher and continued rolling. Once you're happy with it and it's all evenly spread, put it back in the fridge for 3 to 4 minutes just to cool once more. Peel back the paper. Bake at 180 for 10 to 12 minutes. As soon as it comes out of the oven, you're going to cut it. Here are the biscuits. They only took about 10 minutes. I already cut them because they caught me a little bit off guard. However, they're starting to cool now. I did burn the edges, but no problem. You could do what I just did here and cut them off like this. Then you've got a clean edge as well. They go really hard. Very crispy, very sweet. A good biscuit. And that is all I have for you today. I have made these super sweet biscuits. They're very crunchy, and if you break them, they snap, which is ideal. I'd been looking for a recipe or trying to create a recipe like this for ages, and I finally cracked it. I'm very excited about it. I'm going to attempt to make Crispies, which I think they're Australian and New Zealand biscuit, but I really want to get a recipe because their recipe isn't vegan. It's got milk in it, so I want to try and make it, but vegan. But these ones I actually made for the Kitchen Diaries cheesecake. I'm going to reattempt that at some point, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. Any engagement helps with my channel so much, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Peace.